Dear students, now we see the ionic equilibrium topic, session 8, solubility product. Solubility product. What is solubility product? We have come across many precipitation reactions in inorganic qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis means the analysis taken with the weight of the precipitate of the two compounds or two more than two compounds in inorganic chemistry. For example, dilute hydrochloric acid is used to precipitate lead 2 plus ion. Lead 2 plus ion as lead chloride sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly soluble in water. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the lead nitrate, the lead chloride example lead chloride is precipitated. The lead chloride is sparingly soluble in water. Another example, kidney stones are developed in our body. Calcium 2 plus ion, that is calcium oxalate. The kidney stone is the chemical name of the kidney stone is calcium oxalate. Due to this precipitation, the solubility equilibria that exist between the undissociated sparingly soluble salt and its constituent solutions. Okay, solubility equilibria exist. This is a condition. Undissociated sparingly soluble salt. That means without splitting the compound, the ions are not able to split. Undissociated sparingly soluble salt, and then constituent ions in the solution. These are the solubility equilibria. In general, X, M, Y, N. This is the salt. It dissolved in water. M moles of X power N plus and N moles of Y power M. This is the equation for the chemical equation for the chemical reaction. XMYN equilibrium M X power N plus plus N into YM minus anion and cation. The equilibrium constant is K is equal to products divided by reactants. So X N plus power M. The number of moles are get into the power. Y M minus and N divided by the concentration of XM YN. This is the N. The solubility equilibria, the equilibrium constant is referred to the solubility product constant or solubility product. This is the name for the another. The equilibrium constant is referred solubility product. This is the name. Okay. Next. In this heterogeneous equilibria, the concentration of the solid is a constant and omitted the above expression. The concentration of the solid means product is omitted. So KSP, solubility product, KSP means solubility constant for the solubility product is equal to X N plus power M Y M minus power N. The solubility product of the compound, this is the definition for solubility product. The solubility product of the compound is defined as the product of molar concentration of the constituent ions. What are the ions in the solution? They are the product. Their product of the molar concentration is called solubility product. Each raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient is balanced equilibrium equation. The power m and n, these are the example for m and n. M is the molar concentration, number of moles, taken the number of moles, it is raised to the power. N is the number of moles of Y raised to the power. These are the solubility product of compound. Okay. Next, this equation, how to useful for us. Solubility product finds useful to decide whether the ionic compound gets precipitated when the solution contains constituent ions are mixed. In qualitative analysis, the salt react with another compound, the products are precipitated or not, we decide with the help of solubility product. See, this is the concept. When the product of molar concentration of the constituent ions, these are the product of concentration ion, the ionic product exceeds the solubility product, then compound gets precipitated. This is the condition for precipitation. The product of molar concentration of the constituent, this is the ionic product, this multiplication, this is the ionic product, this value is greater than the solubility product. Solubility product is exceed, it gets the precipitation. Ionic product means concentration of the ions. Ionic product, what are the concentration? But next, solubility product means K solubility is equal to X n plus cation and anion, the power m and n. This is the solubility product. Okay. Next, the expression solubility product and the ionic product appears to the same concept, ionic product and the solubility product. But the solubility product, what is the difference? The solubility product expression, molar concentration represents the equilibrium concentration. This is the condition. Molar concentration represents the equilibrium concentration of the ionic product. Initial concentration or concentration of the given time is used. The insolubility product, this is the condition. Molar concentration represents the equilibrium concentration of ionic product. Initial concentration or given concentration time is used. This is the concept for solubility product. So, summarization, from this formula, ionic product greater than Ksp, precipitation occurs. The solution is supersaturated. Ion product less than Ksp, no precipitation, unsaturated. Is equal, both are equal means that the solution is saturated. Supersaturated, unsaturated. These three conditions we have. Okay. Next, determination of the solubility product of molar solubility. How to determine the solubility product? Now, molar solubility, that is maximum number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. This is the concept, this is the condition, 1 liter of the solution. Xm, Yn, equilibrium m x n plus and n y m minus, this anion and cation. Balanced equation, when it is balanced, this equation is when balanced, the 1 mole of compound dissociated to furnish m moles of xn plus and n moles of ym minus. The molar solubility is then xn plus is equal to ms. This is the S is the, already see that S is the molar solubility. S is the molar solubility. So m into m is the number of moles for xn plus ms, and then y m minus n into s. Therefore Ksp is equal to, this is the solubility product, ms power m and ns power n. Understand? Already before the steps, ms, m means molar number of moles of mxn plus, s is the solubility, molar solubility, and then ym ns, n is the number of moles of ym minus. So Ksp is equal to m power m, n power n, and s m plus n, m plus n. These are the formula for more solubility product. Very 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 important 3 mark question and 5 mark question. Okay. Now see the example problem for this concept. Indicate, find out whether the lead chloride gets precipitated or not. This is the question. Lead chloride gets precipitated or not when 1 ml of 0.1 mole lead nitrate and 0.5 ml of 0.2 mole sodium chloride solution are mixed. This is the data for given data. Now we see the problem. To find the precipitate or not, find the compound precipitate or not. Now the given data is volume of the lead nitrate, 1 ml of 0.1 mole lead nitrate. Next, volume of the sodium chloride, 0.5 ml of 0.2 mole. So total volume of this compounds are 1.5 ml, 1 ml plus 0.5 ml, 1 ml, 1.5 ml final. Next, the equation, see the equation, lead chloride equilibrium, lead 2 plus and 2 Cl minus. These are the equation for the precipitate in aqueous solution. The ionic product is equal to concentration of lead 2 plus and Cl minus whole square. Okay, this is the formula. Total volume, already see that 1 plus 0.5 ml, totally 1.5 ml. Lead nitrate equilibrium, lead 2 plus 2 NO3 minus ion. There are two chemicals, one is lead nitrate and another is sodium chloride. They mixed with to form lead chloride, So now lead nitrate is dissolved in water, lead 2 plus and 2 NO3 minus ion. The concentration is 0.1 mole taken, lead 2 plus 0.1 mole we get from the solution. So number of moles of 2 plus ion is molarity into volume of the solution in lead. This is the formula of number of moles of lead 2 plus is equal to molarity into volume of the solution in 1 liter. So 0.1 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is 1 liter ml. We give the ml, 0.1 ml. So 0.1 ml is converted to liter. So 10 to the power of minus 4, 10 to the power of minus 3, already 1 is there, therefore minus 4. Okay. Next, lead 2 plus ion concentration is equal to number of moles of lead 2 plus and volume of the solution in liter. So number of moles 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by volume 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ml. Here liter, but now we take the milliliter. That's why converted to liter. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So total value is 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole. This is the concentration for the lead 2 plus ion. This is the concentration for the lead 2 plus ion. Now sodium chloride gives sodium plus and Cl minus. Sodium chloride is taken how many mole? How many mole means 0.2 mole. So 0.2 mole Na plus and 0.2 ml Cl minus. Number of moles is equal to 0.2 mole into 0.5 ml into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is converted to liter. This is converted to liter. So 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay. Now Cl minus concentration is equal to same formula, number of moles of Cl minus divided by volume of. So 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 1.5, 10 to the power of minus 3 liter is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole. So the ionic product is 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Substitute in this reaction, in this equation. So the value substituted to this equation. So the total value is I multiplied that 6.7 into 6.7 into 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 300 into 300.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 3.01 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is the answer. So the ionic product 3.01 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is greater than the solubility product 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So lead chloride is precipitate. This is the answer, solution for this problem. Okay, thank you. Now summary of all the sessions, 8 sessions we have. All the sessions, the total summary is first point, according to the Arrhenius, the acid is substance that dissociates to give hydrogen ions in water. First point. Second point, according to Lowry and Bronsted concept, in acid is defined as the substance that the tendency to donate proton to another substance, and base is the substance tendency to accept proton from other substance. This is the 2 mark question. This is the 2 mark question. And then next, Lewis concept. What is the Lewis concept? An acid is a species that accepts electron pair, and base is the species that donates the electron pair. This is the definition for Lewis. What is Lewis acid and what is Lewis base? The 3 scientists are explained the definitions. Next, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acid buffer. pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. Basic buffer, pOH equal to pKb plus log salt divided by base. Next, ionic product. Ionic product, formula for the ionic product, Kw, water. Kw is equal to H3O plus concentration and then OH minus concentration. Okay, this is the formula for ionic product of water. Next, pH solution. What is the pH solution? Very, very important 2 mark question. pH of the solution is defined as the negative logarithmic base of 10 of the molar concentration of the hydronium ion present in the solution. Okay, formula pH is equal to minus log base 10 H3O plus concentration. Next key point, when the dilution increases, the degree of dissociation of the weak electrolyte also increases. This statement is known as Ostwald dilution law. This is a 2 mark question. What is Ostwald's dilution law? In 2 mark, When dilution increases, the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte also increases. The statement is called Ostwald's dilution law. Next, when the salt of weak acid is added to the acid itself, the dissociation of the weak acid is suppressed. Further, this is known as common ion effect. What is common ion effect? Common ion effect means salt of weak acid is added to the acid itself. The dissociation weak acid is suppressed. Okay, this is common ion effect because the common ion is produced in the solution. Next, what is a buffer? Buffer in a solution which consists of the mixture of weak acid and conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate. This is the definition for buffer. Mixture of weak acid and its conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate acid. This is the concept. Okay. Next, hydrolysis of salt, strong base and weak acid. Formula KH dot Ka is equal to Kw. pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa plus half log C. Next, strong acid and weak base. This is strong base and weak acid. This is strong acid and weak base. KH Kb is equal to Kw. 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. Weak acid and weak base, Ka dot Kb dot Kh is equal to Kw. So pH is equal to 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. This is the final formula. The three cases, in three cases. Okay. Finally, buffer capacity. What is buffer for capacity? And buffer index is defined as the number of gram equivalents of acid and base added to 1 liter of the buffer solution to change its pH by unity. Beta is equal to Tb divided by Tbh. Okay. Next, solubility product of the compound. Solubility product of the compound is defined as the product of this is the definition for soluble product. Product of the molar concentration of the constituent ions raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficient in balanced equilibrium equation. So this chapter is completed. Thank you for the students. You enjoy, you can't understand, please contact me. Okay, thank you.